Hello and welcome to this demo of Lidl. So today we will go over how to manage jobs and crews in Lidl. And so to follow along, we do recommend that you pause this video so that you can follow step by step on your own device. And also we are using the desktop app right now, but you can totally follow the same steps from any mobile device or iPad. So the first step would be to go to Lidl.com and then click on sign in or start now. This will open up a new tab where you'll be able to create your own account. And then you can authenticate with your own phone number. So we'll skip this step right now, but we do recommend that you authenticate with your phone number. We'll basically send you a unique password over SMS each time you authenticate. That way you can access the same account from any device without remembering your password. And for the purpose of this demo, you will select the schedule jobs with crews and clients. So as you can see on the left, you have a list of all the crew members, and on the right is a calendar of all the jobs. And so what we'll do is go ahead and create our first job. All right, let's go ahead and create a job now and invite some employees. And inviting new users to Lidl is super easy. Let's just take a look at how easy it is. And so now Mike is invited and can scan this QR code to join me to work on this job. All right, so Mike will now create his own account, authenticate with the phone number. We'll skip that step, but we do recommend that you authenticate with your own phone numbers. And that's pretty much it. Now, we invited Mike and we're both looking at the same job here. We all get notifications. At the top, you have the details of the job, and at the bottom, it works just like any social app, WhatsApp, Slack, or anything. You can typically clock in and add any form of update or document your job with audio messages, photos, videos. You can add tasks and track completion, as well as files, PDFs, floor plans, or just add some time manually. For now, I'll just go ahead and mark this job as done and then clock out from my device. Now let's go back. And so you can see the job number 1 was created and it showed up in green here. And so you can go ahead and create more jobs and invite more crew members. And so managers have a great way to track all the jobs that they have happening on any given week, as well as we provide employees with an easy tool to see what jobs they're supposed to work on any given day. So that's it for this demo. If you haven't done so already, now you can go to Lidl.com and invite crew members as well as schedule your jobs.